When you start categorizing sounds, listening to an individual sound and trying to analyze it, you're back into imaging limitations. You need to control the quality of the microphone. You need to control the acoustic environment. You need to make sure that the sound is crisp and high quality. But that's not how if we do that, you might as well go to a laboratory and do a blood test. But what we've learned is that cough frequency, which is the amount of times you cough over a certain period of time, contains huge chunks of information. And frequency is easier to collect than high quality sounds, because even if it's bad quality, you know it's a cough. All you need to do is binary. Is that a cough? Yes, no. And that's where we put our efforts.